Welcome to the Teaneck Farmers Market. We're here from now until October 26th. Today we're having a puppet show, face painting, and arts and crafts. Next week we're having a safety day with the Teaneck firemen and policemen. Then we're having our food tasting on September 7th. And we have, on the 7th of September, we're having Neil, the knife sharpener, with our food tasting at 2:30. On September 14th, we're having Holy Name Hospital and the second part of our blood drive. Last time we got 15 contributions for blood, and we hope to do better. So we're in full swing into our fall lineup. The market starts in the first week of June to October, to the last week of October, from 12 to 6. We're pretty much maxed out, but we would like to have guest vendors when we have spaces available. If someone is interested in becoming a vendor, they have to be in touch with Ramona Sills. They can call her at 201-907-0493. The type of vendors that we're looking for are something unique that won't be a conflict with our vendors that we have now, and so that they can try out something on a temporary basis and maybe lead into a full-time basis. It's fun to see the pickles with the little kids like a year and a half, 2 years, sucking on a stick with a pickle. It's like adorable. During the year, we have some musical events that we like to promote the talents of Teaneck or beyond with people around the neighboring towns, and we want to share their songs, their dance, so that it will make our activity a little bit more lively. If you have a talent that you'd like to promote, come to us and we will put it in discussion, and we'll let you know, and we'll put you on the map. Let me tell you who we have today. We have Melvin, who comes from Pennsylvania for 3 hours and comes back, and he has lots of things. He's very popular. We have his neighbor, Rebecca, who brings us home-baked goods and honeys and jams and marinated vegetables. We have Heat to Go, who makes meals for people with various diet restrictions, for Alzheimer's, for diabetes, Parkinson's, and a lot of other malaise.
This is good for diabetes, good for weight loss, good for epilepsy. Children, 50% of children that go on this diet that have epilepsy and over 100 seizures a day get completely cured within 2 years. 25% of them have a reduction in seizures, and then 25% of them can't stick to the diet because it's too hard. But with these yummy organic, fruit meal substitutes, maybe it'll help.
Our resident baker down next to him is his Mortgage Apple Cake that makes wonderful apple cake treats, and they started with us about 7 years ago, and we love them because they're part of our community. Then we have Richard Sutton, who's been with us for almost 21 years, and he's from Old Japan and brings everything that from produce to plants, herbs, and more. We have our town beekeeper, Daniel Center, who brings us local honey that he collects from his hives. Then we have Hoboken Farms, who has pre-packaged frozen entrees, delicious breads, mozzarella cheese. Then we have cocoa and from Nana's home cooking. They make grilled chicken kebabs, falafels, empanadas this year, everything under the sun, and it's marvelous. And we have gourmet nuts and fruits, and they bring us a variety of wonderful, healthy, indulgent nut and fruit treats. And then we have pure potential juices. And Marlo whips up a beverage that is healthy. And also, we have Lefkowitz Wellness Group and Michelle Bivens and her masseuse Phyllis. We're having a face painter today, and her name is Jody Way, and she does face painting, tattoos, magical fantasy stuff. I think she even does body art. So, and she does adult programs and, of course, children's programs, and she's just great. She has a wonderful disposition, so it's great. If you haven't been down to the Teaneck Farmers Market, join us. We have terrific Thursdays at the Teaneck Farmers Market. You have so much inside of this market with good people, good meetings, and a great time.